Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
A high-quality dash cam that won't break the bank. The Thinkware ARC is a front and rear camera solution that records in 2K resolution, giving you sharp video with automatic exposure adjustments and what Thinkware calls super night vision, which we recommend enabling. We found performance during the day, however, is significantly better. The ARC records onto a microSD card, which is included, as is an external GPS sensor, and you can find it for under $250. The results overall are impressive. We also like some of the built-in intelligence. Driver alerts for when traffic is moving or light changes are useful. The touchscreen operation is handy as well. More info? Head to thinkware.us.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at C-Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at ccrane.com or just click on the link at techstination.com.